We are leading provider of technical services to the international marine industry for a diverse range of naval architecture, custom and production vessels in the private and commercial sectors. Drawing upon its solid naval architect background, technical expertise, and innovative thinking, the firm provides its diverse global clientele engineering services, naval architecture, yacht design, interior design, and refits. From conception and development to manufacturing, testing, and certification, our portfolio of yacht designs will accommodate your needs. We provide services to a varied range of custom and production vessels. Our team have the expertise to develop designs that perform to any specification. With a keen eye for detail and an invested relationship with the customer, the firm bears on the guarantee of a successful project, whether it be helping in a design, engineering, production, marketing, and sales, or with management goals. From mega yachts and custom sportfish to runabouts, we have the experience, capability, and resources to help bring your projects to completion. Make us part of your design team today. From conception to tooling and manufacturing, all the way through testing and certification, put our experience to work for you on your next project and benefit from a truly integrated design that will exceed your expectations. This is our commitment.